Hello, this is Lyrics and welcome to today's session. Do you know that at some point in your statistical data analysis, there'll be a need for you to run stratification of your results such that you need to stratify your data sets? So, for example, you intend to run the mean of a continuous variable stratified by a categorical data, then there'll be a need for you to subset your data set. Additionally, if you tend to run a t-test to compare between groups, there will be a need for you to categorize your data sets. And that is where the concept of subsetting comes in. And so if you watch this video right to the very end, you're going to have a glimpse of how to subset your data set using the R platform. And so first of all, we want to upload or load our data sets. And so our data set is loaded in this catalytics. There's a variable which we intend to stratify or do a subsetting by. And that variable is for diabetes. And so this line of code helps us to appreciate the frequency or distribution of that particular variable. And so we want to see how many fall within the category. So when you write this line of code, it's going to help you see that we have 1933 diabetics and 4867 non-diabetics. And now we want to divide these data sets into two, where we have one dedicated only to diabetic status, or which is diabetics, and then the other being non-diabetics. So the line of code that will help us to be able to subset our data set by diabetic status into diabetic and non-diabetics is, first of all, we're going to assign that. So diabetic, then subset in bracket the data set is catalytics, then comma, then we select um, the column that we want to use as our reference to categorize. And so when it's one, it means that it's diabetic. And then the non-diabetic group also follow the same line. But then at the side, I'm going to change to 0. So with this line of code, we are going to subset our data into diabetic and then non-diabetic. This will allow us to run further analysis that are stratified by these groupings. And so you run this line of code, some error. Okay. Run this again. Good. So it's supposed to be a double equal to sign. And right here we have our diabetic data, and then non-diabetic data. And we see that they have about 4, 8, 6, 7 observations, which is equal to what we find over here. And then for the diabetic, we have 1933, and that is exactly what we have here. So basically, this is how you can be able to stratify or subset your categorical data so that you can be able to run further categorical or stratified analysis on your data sets. If you find content such as this useful, we encourage you to subscribe to the channel turn on the post notification bell so you always notified whenever a new video like this is released. Until we meet again on our next one, this is Lyrics, and it's a bye.